Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, green color, red color, blue color, yellow color and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and use black color. A for aeroplane. B for bat. C for cow. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J and use green color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use red color. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use blue color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.